Hey guys, welcome back to Reese Fam TV. I'm your host, Tommy. What's going on? All right. We just taking a little drive today. Well, let's see. We're gonna go for a little drive. Today is a beautiful day. I don't know. I think that today our video, we should talk about I'm gonna talk about, let's see, get through this here. I am trying to beat this traffic, y'all. I apologize. Just got sweet. And we done it. We done it. I was talking to y'all about some taillights, LED taillights. What I did, a little research on that. I found a couple of those. I may be putting a video together. Thinking about doing an install video. And in that install video, I want to do, go ahead and finish up the park lights. I want to get the LED fog lights ordered, and I want to get the tail lights, and do all that in just one big install video for you guys. I think that'd be pretty cool. And then do the whole, just do one big LED package under one umbrella video. That was my thought on that. So, like I said, I did a little research. I think I've narrowed them down to like one or two that I'm really interested in. So I may go ahead and pull the trigger on that and knock those out. So, and get those ordered, and it should have those ordered in here. Probably it could be within 2 weeks or so from this. I'll probably go ahead and publish this video today. But I think I can have it within 2 weeks. Have it and install within 2 weeks. But so anyway, yeah. But anyway, another little thing I think I covered in one video very, very briefly, but I can do real quick and save you a bunch of money, is the LED lights on the interior. I looked at like, for example, like your Walmarts, or I don't know, is the camera getting that? AutoZone right there. And O'Reilly's, and what else? You got Napa's and all these other places. Man, these things are stupid money. They're wanting like, I think the cheapest I saw was AutoZone was cheaper than Walmart, if I remember right. But they're wanting $7-8 for a pair. Okay. Well, this right here is a pair. So you're talking about $8 right there just for that. Oh man, just went and stopped. Got one of my favorite sodas. My thing, Dreamsicle soda. Love this thing. But anyway, I don't see any purpose in all that. But anyway, like I said, try to find you guys discounts. So I went to eBay, and again, my source, eBay, and I found it was the whole setup. It was the side, they're called park lights, side park lights, and interior, all of interior. What else is on that? It was several lights. It was not a total of 9 bulbs. Why was it 9 bulbs? For some reason, 9 bulbs sticks in my head. I don't know. But it was right around there. Yeah, right around. It was 8 or 9 bulbs. I want to say 9. It was an odd number. Maybe it was the extra. I don't know. Probably so. An extra. Yeah, might have sent me an extra. But anyhow, all of them for like $10. So, and it wasn't from China. I mean, they maybe originated from China, which pretty much all of them do anyhow. But it was here within. I mean, I try to deal with all USA, American buyer or sellers, and it was here. Well, with the exception of my AliExpress.com website, but I mean, hey man, if some Americans would, match up, dude. Shoot, China's kicking our butt, dude. Dang. If we, I'm not gonna get political. I don't do it. Anyway, so yeah, but eBay. So it was 8-9 bulbs. Probably came with extra, and it was $10. Lit them up. They're awesome. Yeah. Oh, I know what it was. Yeah, because you got interior lights. You got map lights in the back. I've got interior lights. I got map lights. I've got my markers, park lights. What are you gonna call them? Front, back, sides. Yeah, that's what it was. Okay. Yep. So, and then I had one extra. So that's what it all boiled down to right there. So, that was the deal. But yeah, so the LED lights was a real good deal, man. Like I said, eBay was the source for that. And I encourage everybody, man. And pretty much anytime you find something, I encourage you guys to freaking check it out. And like I said, AliExpress.com there. And I'm going to put the links in the description for the stuff. But I'm telling you, that's the way to do it. Save you a little money. Don't forget my red paint saver, man. You can save a ton of money with your freaking red paint that way. If you want to go red, I'm just saying. But yeah, that's the way to do it. So, tent, that's another one, but I ain't gonna mess with that myself. Woo-wee! That is a mess right there, getting ready to happen. I tried that one time with my car. Praise the Lord. But that is a mess, buddy. And, it's good if you screw it up while everything's still wet and, all that going. But I'm going to tell you, when that stuff sets and you try to take it off, forget about it, dude. That glue is something. And then if you ever want to take 10 off, don't even think about it, man. And the guy says, I'll take 10 off for $200. You happily pay that man $200, okay? Happily. It is worth $50 a freaking window. it is worth $50 a freaking window to boy's got some construction going on right here. And I don't know, they know what the hell they're doing. I just washed my freaking Jeep too, man. Come on, brothers. Messed up my man's Jeep. But that dude's working hard, ain't he? But yeah, guys, so I know I got off on a little tangent right there, but alrighty, well, that is about the video there. And like I said, I thank you guys for watching. This is Reed's Fam TV. Tommy, I'm out.